In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and navigate PMyAdmin to manage your WordPress database. Whether you're managing your website locally with software like XAMPP or working through your hosting provider's control panel, this guide will walk you through the steps to access critical user data securely and efficiently. First, if you're using a local server such as XAMPP, open your preferred web browser and type in http localhost PMyAdmin into the address bar. This is your gateway to PMyAdmin on your local server. For those of you using a hosted service, you'll generally find PMyAdmin within your hosting control panel. For instance, if you're on cPanel, simply navigate to PMyAdmin under the Databases section. Once you've accessed PMyAdmin, the next step will be to select your WordPress database. Within PMyAdmin, you'll see a list of databases on the left sidebar. Select the one that you used when installing WordPress. This step is crucial because accessing the correct database ensures that you're making changes to the right site. If you're unsure which database belongs to your WordPress site, you can check your wp-config.php file in your site's root directory for the database name. Now, it's time to locate the table that stores your WordPress users. Typically, this is labeled as WP users. However, if you've changed the table prefix during installation, it might show up as your prefix users. Click on this table to open it. This table is where all your user information, including login details, is stored. Next up is browsing the WP Users table to view your user data. You'll do this by clicking on the Browse tab, usually located towards the top of the interface. When you click Browse, it presents you with a view of all user accounts on your WordPress site, with each row representing a different user. It's like looking at a spreadsheet where every user account is cataloged line by line. Now turn your attention to the User Pass column within this table. This particular column is where WordPress stores the hashed versions of user passwords. Bear in mind that these passwords are not stored in plain text for security reasons. What you see here is a hashed string, an encrypted version that protects user data from unauthorized access. There you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully access and navigate the PMyAdmin interface to manage your WordPress database. Understanding how to locate and interpret table data will empower you to maintain your website more effectively. As always, handle any database modifications with care to avoid accidental data loss. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more valuable tutorials.